replacing the air filter, but we're doing it cleaning also the duct that brings air inside the filter box. So this is the filter box where this filter is, and then there's the duct here in front. Right now it's in the floor because we are gonna show you how to make it work. This is adhesive foam that you can find. That's for windows actually. So it's easy to find. I got this size, but you can get even a little large. You can find it in any hardware store, so it's easy to find. You are gonna seal our duct here. This is actually the old one. I'm gonna replace it here, and also the side that goes inside. See this one? That's why you get the alarm most of the times, because the flow of the air is not correct. You get too much or too little sometimes. So the two things you have to check when you get that alarm is this plus the cap for the fuel. And actually here you can see also our cap we were talking about in the other video. You know, now it's really easy to remove. You can remove it by hand because the pin is not there anymore. But it still works because he has a O-ring here. So this is the one for we were talking about in the other video for the transmission fluid. So check. If you remove this duct, you can access to him really well. And this duct needs 2 screws to be removed. There are gonna be one here and the other one there. So it's very easy to remove in case you have to clean carefully and access. Because if not, it's really difficult. I will show you when I put it back. It's really difficult to access. Sure, it's flush. I push it and I tie the bolt, and then I go check again. I'm gonna remove it again and go check how this seal worked. See, right now we'll be good to go. Just tie the bolt this position, but see, like there is okay. But I want to go to see how it look like that one. So the only way is to open it again. Notice that there was a little bit of gap. I also put a piece of the seal over there, and I still keep this one here. So one, because that one is going to touch, that part there is going to touch around here, plus I have this that is going to go touch here, so it should make a perfect seal. That looks fine. It didn't come out from the back. You see also that corner, you see the white, so it looks like it is sealing very well. You see the white over there and the white in the bottom. That means that it should be working very well. Then I pushed it in as much as I can with the screw here. That's it. Job is done. Now let's see if we get the alarm again. See, make sure this plastic, you see this plastic is bending. Make sure when you close, the filter inside is placed well.